Let's get those top trading calls going as well. Kunal, hope your specs are on now also. And take us through what it is that you're betting on the charts.
So I'm betting on a few mid-cap names, and so for example, yesterday there was fresh breakout candidate ABFRL. That's a stock which I'll be betting on from current levels. I think it's an interesting breakout, price volume breakout for the stock, about 220 plus mark. So would suggest a buy with a target of 236, revising the stop losses hard to 222 for ABFRL. And Aarti Industries is also another stock which is completing a double bottom breakout on the charts, above 530 levels. So would suggest a buy with a positional target of 600, stop loss at 500.
I have a quick follow-up on that one since you touched upon it, Kunal. In fact, entire market was reading it, looking at it, but were equally confused whether to participate in it. And that is the rebound of chemicals. After 4 years, and there have been sporadic rebounds in, say, UPL, SRF around the results. But what we saw yesterday was slightly different. So I want your opinion on it and which one to bet on. Yesterday we saw SRF come back. Guys, if you can pull up Naveen Fluorine, SRF, India Pesticide, pull up Deepak Nitrate, saw 4% kind of up move. Many others were also doing very well. So it was a kind of a big synchronized up move. Can one say with certainty that chemical stocks are bottoming out, or one can't say?
No, I think with certainty we can say that the chemical stocks are bottomed out. And I think it's not just yesterday's price action, Ajay.
Okay.
I've been tracking this over the last 2 weeks, specifically. SRF is something which I do track closely. So there was a point where these stocks rallied up by 5-7% margin. So last expiry, October expiry, these stocks ended at a major low for themselves. Multi-month, multi-week low individually. So Naveen, Fluorine, SRF, etc. Now what started off initially at the start of the fresh expiry November series was a series of short covering. So that took the stocks 5% to 10% higher from their previous basis. Then there was a consolidation for the stocks. And even in this consolidation, there was no price retracement. It was just a time-wise consolidation, some whipsaw in between for the weaker hands to come out. And yesterday was a sign of a fresh breakout yet again. And that too happening just 1 week prior to the expiry week. And I think that's a very strong sign that going into the next series as well as end of the fresh current series, there should be more long positions as well as exiting of short positions into the chemical stocks.
In fact, not only on the charts. Why I'm trying to join dots here is that in the last 10 days, there are 2 fund managers, PMS guys, Abhay Agarwal of Piper Serica, who's added Sharda Cropchem and UPL in their portfolio, and even our own Marcellus. Saurabh Mukherjee has added Naveen Fluorine. He was talking positive about chemicals right now. So appears to be some kind of things coming together.
Yep, it certainly does. And we'll discuss that a lot more with our fundamental guests. But Nooresh, in the meantime, let's find out what you're picking out on the chart, some of your top trades.
So first is the buy on Reliance Industries, which has taken leadership in the heavyweight space. Expected to see follow-up, a 2-month high done, and slowly and steadily moving up. Should go towards 2,500 in the next 2-3 sessions. Stop loss at 2,370. Second is a buy on Container Corporation. The whole logistics space has started breaking out. The smaller names have also. Container Corp has come close to that breakout about 750 and consolidating around that area for the last 4 or 5 sessions. So the breakout has done. A follow-up action should happen over the next few sessions. A stop loss at 735 and a target price of 800.
Okay, point